Hi guys, another episode of RRW reviews. So today we are going to see how we can take the Android Auto connectivity in our Maruti Suzuki Ciaz. So let's get started. The things you need are uh, what will say USB code, then a phone. Here we got a phone. Then we should have the what to say the CD player which has the Android connectivity. Okay guys, so I am now sitting in my car. Okay, now we should on the ignition, or we should put into ACC, which gives the electric output to the head unit. So we can put it to the ACC. Okay, its boot animation is coming. So now I told you that we need cables, and also the what will say the software of this head unit should be uh, greater. It should be more than in what will say the normal car Maruti Suzuki car which comes with this head unit is 1720 version, which is not compatible for the Android Auto version. If you bought the 2016-17 model Ciaz or any type of cars, you will not get this option. You should take the car to any Maruti Suzuki dealers or any what will say any Nexa dealers to update your head unit version. So mine has been updated into the 2019 model, so its version is now greater. It gives so many things. I will show you some features I came. Lock when driving, it's a new feature in this. Here you can see lock keypad while driving. It will lock the keypad when we are driving, so we could not what will say write anything. And this is my version, SDD2 Suzuki SLN in IND update 2 version 1. That's my version carrier. So this is the new version for the 2019 model. I had some problems by updating my head unit. It came again, the what will say the head unit got something problem. I messed it really. Then we took it to the Nexa dealer. They took 1 hour to fully format the version and install the 2019 version. So only from 2017 onwards, the Suzuki these head units comes with the Android compatibility, and also the Apple CarPlay comes with this. So we can first connect the what you say the USB code. So I am connecting it, and we should have this charging port here. You can see this port. So I have a phone here. It's a Samsung J2. It has a compatibility of the Android Auto. So we should now connect it to the head unit. Now we can see, you can see it shows Android Auto will resume when the car's already parked. Engage a parking brake. So we should engage the parking brake. Okay, now it's showing Android Auto connection disclaimer on your smartphone, and now it's showing like this. private policy, data noise, it will come like this. We should click continue. Now to start, select your Android Auto on your car screen. So we should now take our phone. You can see now we should take our phone, then click connect. Yeah, it came. So we can keep our phone now here and see how the Android Auto works. It will take some time to come because it's 1 GB RAM phone. It takes some time to read, and you can now get what you want to quickly. So we can see anything we want. Got it. Yeah, now we can play any songs, and you can search in Google, and you can also get maps and everything in it. Yeah, maps came. And now if you want to call anybody, you can click this. It's taking so much time because it's running on 1 GB RAM phone. That's the problem. It's taking so much time to read. I think yeah, recent calls, anything. Also you can go to any songs, you can click okay. It will read. It's having some hang. You can hear the song. When we connect it to our the phone connects to the Bluetooth also. When we connect to the USB port. So now there are so many features. You can speak through Android Assistant if you have been updated to it. And if now so many people are using CarStream, there's one app, CarStream, that in that we can take this thing like return to Maruti Suzuki will come like this. So in that it will show CarStream. In that we should put our Google Play services version should be below the 2016 model. That then only the CarStream app will work, because the CarStream app is being blocked by the Google Play, so it will not work in the versions of 2018, 19, 17, that versions of the Google Play services. So now we can return. Yeah, you can see here. Yes, everything we can do. Stopped, gone. So thanks guys for seeing this video. So if this video is nice, please do it thumbs up for my things what I did for you. Please do give it thumbs up, please. And if this video is nice and helpful for you, please subscribe to this channel. Thanks.